All right. Hey guys. My name's Luco, or Luco, and basically I wanted to announce that I'm so embarrassed about my face. I don't know why, but I'm doing a 3K giveaway. In order to participate, you need to be subscribed. Also, check out my Discord server. I have a specific channel where you put your OCs in, and I'll pick one of your OCs from there. So basically how it works is that I'll pick out someone's OC, I'll make a video on it, I'll help you kind of develop the lore a bit so I can like draw it. And I'm sorry, I don't know why. It's like I post my face a lot, like online, but like making a whole video with my face is just like, oh my god. Face reveal, I guess to some of you. I know if you follow my Twitter, you've seen my face, but I digress. Also, I'm a witch. I have a witch's cat too. I have to have 3 cats. I'm gonna put my cats up. Bam, Mozzie. Bam, Toaster. Bam, Ban. Her name's Ban for Bansona. Anyways, yeah, so I'm doing a 3K giveaway. I'm really happy and excited to see whose OC wins, and I'm really excited to draw someone's OC. Also, shameless plug once again. I have Ko-Fi memberships, YouTube memberships, and of course my Discord server. Check them all out if you want to support me, because low-key, I can't lie, my drawing tablet just broke and I really need a new one. So also, shameless plug, check out my commissions if you really love my art and love my work, because I need a new drawing tablet. This one is literally like sparkling, and I don't know if you can tell with the monkey, but it's like sparkling and stuff. I don't know. Anyways, I wasn't expecting this to happen, especially now that I'm like drawing more again. But yeah, 3K giveaway. Excited to see who wins. Excited to draw someone's OC. Check out the details in my YouTube post and also in my Discord server. And yeah, it's been Luco. Bye guys.